goodness, Lily. What do you have to say? Ah. Yeah? What you looking at out the window? What you looking at? What you looking at, sweetie, huh? What you looking at? Yeah. Oh! Did you just do that on the camera for everyone to enjoy? Okay. This is what happened to your hair. Oh, goodness. Ah.